Good morning, rock stars. For today's morning bid, we are going to need our black sheet of paper that was in your bag and these eyes. The first thing we're going to do is cut out our eyes. These are going to end up being the eyes for our spider. So we're going to glue these on our book to make it look like a spider. So I'm cutting around the circle. 1 and 2. And when I'm done cutting my eyes out, I'm going to leave them off to the side for just a minute, because I'm going to use my black paper for something next. Okay, we're really practicing our scissor skills this morning. We're going to take our black paper and we're going to cut out 8 legs for our spider. So I'm going to hold my scissors the right way, thumb at the top, the rest of my fingers at the bottom, pointer finger guiding. I'm going to nicely cut out. I'm going to try to stay as straight as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 8 legs. We're going to practice that accordion folding skill again because I think that's a fun skill to practice. So I'm going to practice that accordion fold. So go under, over, and I'm going to accordion fold all 8 of my spider legs. Okay, my friends, I'm actually going to put a couple together and do it as a little challenge when you make the paper a little thicker. Under, over, under. All right, so I have my cool spider legs. Under. All right. Then I do my last 3. I'm going to accordion fold those, making my cool spider legs for my book. All right. Now, I'm going to get my book. Here I have my book. I'm going to glue my eyes on my book. Let's see, how do they look the best? I'm going to do them this way, kind of makes them like a funny little spider. All right, so I'm going to take my glue stick out, and I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. Add my glue to my spider. And you can put your eyes however you want to. All right, so there I have my spider eyes. Now I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot, and I'm going to put it on my legs. And I'm going to glue my spider legs. I'm going to press them down to the back of my book. So see how I'm doing that? I'm putting it on the back. So here where my can have are, that's where I'm gluing it to. I'm going to glue all 8 of my legs around my book. Okay. And then on the other side, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to glue number 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8. 8. All right, my friends, so there we have it. It's so big you can barely see it, but we have our big spider book with our 8 legs and our silly spider eyes. I will see you all in just a few minutes.